hear a number of different recordings, and you will have to answer questions on what you hear. There will be time for you to read the instructions and questions, and you will have a chance to check your work. All the recordings will be played once only. The test is in 4 sections. Write all your answers in the listening question booklet. At the end of the test, you will be given 10 minutes to transfer your answers to an answer sheet. Now turn to section 1 on page 2 of your question booklet. Section 1. You will hear a woman phoning to inquire about sailing courses. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 6 on page 2. You will see that there is an example that has been done for you. On this occasion only, the conversation relating to this will be played first.
Hello?
Oh, good morning. I'm calling on behalf of my 13-year-old son, Jacob. He's interested in learning to sail.
Great. Well, we have what we call a taster day on the 22nd of June.
I'm not sure he can make it, but we'll see.
The taster day is on the 22nd of June, so 22nd June has been written in the space. Now we shall begin. You should answer the questions as you listen, because you will not hear the recording a second time. Listen carefully and answer questions 1 to 6.
Hello?
Oh, good morning. I'm calling on behalf of my 13-year-old son, Jacob. He's interested in learning to sail.
Great. Well, we have what we call a taster day on the 22nd of June.
I'm not sure he can make it, but we'll see. Jacob's really interested, though. So can you tell me about the courses?
OK. We have 2 types of courses for children under 16, 2-day and 5-day.
Could you explain the difference?
Well, the 2-day one just covers basic techniques in sailing. And on this course, the kids always sail with the instructor they've been allocated.
Well, that's good to know.
Yeah, and the cost is £65.
Oh, I thought it was more than that. I heard it was £125.
That's for the 5-day course.
OK. I presume that course goes into much more detail?
Yes, and from the 3rd day, the kids are given the choice to sail on their own if they want. We use the same types of boat, but we help them learn more techniques, in particular how to manage the boat in a variety of types of weather.
I think Jacob would enjoy that course. Do you give them a certificate if they complete the course?
Absolutely. We give them out on the final day, which a lot of the kids really like.
Great. Could you tell me a bit more about what the children have to bring and so forth?
Well, the most important thing is the clothing. It goes without saying that whatever the time of year, they should have plenty of warm clothes, as it can be quite cool out on the water.
What about footwear? Do they have to wear anything special?
The only rule is that they've got to have shoes of some kind. They mustn't have bare feet.
OK.
And we suggest the kids pack an extra pair of trousers, waterproof ones. They don't have to wear them unless it starts to rain.
Fine. So basically it's just using your common sense.
Yes. Oh, and one other thing we do say is that the children mustn't wear jeans, because they get extremely heavy when they're wet.
Oh, OK.
Before you hear the rest of the conversation, you have some time to look at questions 7 to 10 on page 2. Now listen and answer questions 7 to 10.
One thing I forgot to ask is whether it's possible to get a meal anywhere.
I'm afraid not. But we do have a shop called the Marina Stores where he can get a snack.
OK, and before I forget, when I drop Jacob off, where can I park?
Good question. There's spaces near the entrance, but you have to pay for them. But there's no charge for the car park just by the bridge. Do you know it?
Oh, yes, I know where you mean.
Now, we do need you to fill in a registration form. You should send that in a couple of weeks before the course starts. The form is on the website, but we ask you to print it off and add your signature.
Yes, of course. What sort of information do you need?
About your child's swimming ability, any special requirements and so on.
Will you need to know who his doctor is?
Yes.
We've just recently changed surgeries, so I'll make a note to get that.
And one more thing. There's a separate form on the website, which is optional, that asks whether you're willing for photographs to be taken during the course.
Yes, of course, no problem.
Great. So, I'll send you...
That is the end of section 1. You now have half a minute to check your answers. Now turn to section 2 on page 3.